Let's see step by step how to assemble a TIXI feeding chair. Here are the parts. 8 elements for legs assembly. 2 leg mount elements, a footrest, foot pads, short and long screws, a hex key, a seat with a waterproof insert and straps attached, a tray with an overlay. Let's start. Assembly is made easier by the letter markings inside the leg openings and on the fastening elements. Connect them with mounting screws exactly like this. Now connect the front and rear legs of the chair with the mount elements. Then put the 2 elements together across each other and screw them together in the middle. Make sure that the mounting holes for the footrest are facing each other. Now attach the seat to the legs. This is done using the longer mounting screws, exactly at these 4 points. Make sure that the holes for mounting the footrest are on the side of the front edge of the seat. Now it's time to attach the leg pads. Time to attach the footrest. Fix it by inserting it into the holes in the legs and secure it with the shorter screws, exactly like this. Mount the tray by placing it over the armrests. Retract the lever and install the tray. There are 3 levels of adjustment. While mounting the tray, move it to the desired position and release the lever. By releasing these 3 catches, you can remove the upper part of the tray, for washing, for example. The last stage is the safety harness. To fasten the harness, put the shoulder straps and lap belts together and insert them in the crotch belt buckle until you hear a click. You can freely adjust the straps. You do it like this. To undo the harness, press the button in the middle of the buckle. OK, TIXI for the youngest children is ready. When your brave one grows bigger, change the chair into an older children version. Dismantle the tray and the footrest. For easier disassembly, loosen the screws in the mounting element, but do not detach it from the seat. After that, undo the legs from the mounting element. Then attach the front and then the rear legs. Now, retighten the leg mounting element to the seat and attach the leg pads. The last stage is to remove the harness. Retract the plastic elements through the backrest and pull out the straps to the front. Proceed likewise with the crotch belt. Detach the lining attached with a Velcro fastener and remove it easily. The lining is waterproof, but you can easily wash it by hand. The TIXI chair for older children is ready. Enjoy!